National symbols of India. National animal.
Tiger.
National bird.
Peacock.
National flower.
Lotus.
National fruit.
Mango.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National game.
Hathi.
National river.
Ganga.
National heritage animal.
Elephant.
National flag.
Tiranga.
National aquatic animal.
Ganga river. Dolphin.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National currency.
Indian rupee.
National emblem.
Ashoka pillar.
National motto.
Satyameva Jayate.
Oath of allegiance.
National pledge.
National calendar.
Saga calendar.
National reptile.
King cobra. Time for watching. Please share and subscribe.